Want to build income that comes in month after month, even while you sleep? In this video, I'll break down the top 10 investments that pay you monthly. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, these ideas can grow your wealth passively. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Imagine waking up on the first of every month and seeing money flowing into your account without having to clock in, attend meetings, or chase clients. That's the power of monthly income investments. These financial vehicles provide consistent cash flow, making them ideal for those seeking financial independence, early retirement, or passive income. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, allows you to act as the bank by lending your money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Upstart. Once you invested a loan, the borrower repays you with interest every month. This model offers a unique way to generate monthly income without traditional banks. I started with just a few $100s and diversified across multiple borrowers. The consistent monthly payments helped me build passive income slowly and steadily. However, it's important to note that defaults can happen, so spreading your risk across many loans is key. 9. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs gave me the benefits of real estate investing without the headaches of being a landlord. These are companies that own income-generating properties like apartments, shopping malls, and offices. Many of them pay out dividends monthly. One of my favorites was Realty Income, often called the monthly dividend company. I didn't need to worry about clogged toilets or midnight tenant calls, just dividend payments rolling into my account regularly. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them highly liquid. 8. Monthly dividend stocks. Not all stocks pay monthly dividends, but the ones that do can provide a consistent and reliable source of income. I focused on stocks like Gladstone Investment Corporation and Pembina Pipeline. These companies reward their shareholders with monthly distributions, which is perfect for budgeting and reinvesting. Over time, I built a small portfolio of monthly dividend payers. I reinvested those dividends to buy more shares, creating a snowball effect. While you still face market risk, the combination of income and long-term growth potential made this a smart addition to my strategy. 7. Covered call ETFs. I discovered covered call ETFs while exploring option strategies, and they quickly became one of my favorite income tools. These funds own a basket of stocks and generate extra income by selling call options on those holdings. Funds like QYLD and JEPI pay attractive monthly dividends, often significantly higher than traditional ETFs. These ETFs turned out to be great during sideways markets, providing consistent income even when stock prices weren't moving much. It's not a strategy for aggressive growth, but if your goal is monthly income, it works beautifully. 6. Bond ETFs and individual bonds. Bonds might not be exciting, but they are a backbone for stable monthly income. I allocated a portion of my portfolio to municipal bonds and corporate bonds, which paid me predictable interest every month. Bond ETFs like AGG and BND also distribute income monthly. They offered me lower risk and diversification. As I aged and wanted to preserve capital while still generating cash flow, bonds became more important. They didn't provide explosive returns, but they provided peace of mind, a critical factor in any long-term income strategy. 5. Rental real estate. Buying my first rental property was a milestone moment. Unlike REITs, owning a rental meant I controlled the asset, the tenants, and the profits. Every month, I collected rent that far exceeded the mortgage and maintenance costs. This cash flow turned into a reliable income source that scaled as I acquired more properties. While it requires more effort, screening tenants, repairs, taxes, the rewards are substantial. Rental properties also appreciate over time, creating both income and long-term wealth. If you don't want the hassle, hiring a property manager can make this investment more passive. 4. High-yield savings accounts. It may seem too simple to be exciting, but high-yield savings accounts can be surprisingly effective for low-risk monthly income. When I parked a portion of my emergency fund in an online savings account that offered a higher interest rate, I began receiving monthly interest payments. It wasn't much compared to other options, but it was completely passive, FDIC insured and liquid. The best part? I had instant access to my funds whenever I needed them. This isn't an investment for growth, but for stability and cash flow during uncertain times, it's invaluable. 3. Private notes and business loans. Private lending is a hidden gem in the investment world. Through trusted networks and platforms, I began offering capital to small businesses in exchange for monthly repayment with interest. These private notes often yielded much higher returns than bank savings accounts or even bonds. You do need to assess the borrower's credibility carefully, but with proper vetting, it's a powerful strategy. I structured most deals to repay me every month over a fixed period. This turned my capital into a steady cash machine. For experienced investors or those with a strong network, this strategy can outperform many traditional investments. 2. Digital products and royalties. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables transformed how I saw income. After the initial creation and marketing effort, I began receiving monthly payouts from platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, and Udemy. Unlike most investments that rely on financial markets, this one depends on creativity and effort, but the results can be stunning. Royalties from creative works or licensing intellectual property also fall under this category. I've received monthly royalty payments from a product I created years ago, and they still arrive like clockwork. This form of income is incredibly scalable and location independent. 1. Owning a small business or online asset. The most powerful monthly income stream I ever built came from owning a small online business. Whether it was a niche blog, a dropshipping store, or an affiliate website, these assets paid me every single month, often while I slept. Unlike a job, these income streams didn't require me to trade hours for dollars. I worked hard to build systems, hired freelancers to help, and scaled operations. Soon, I had multiple sources of income coming in from different websites and digital products. The key was building something once that continued to generate revenue month after month. If done right, online businesses become true assets, ones that pay you forever. That's the list. 10 powerful monthly income investments you can start today. Which one are you adding to your portfolio? Comment below. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new strategies to grow your money. See you in the next one.